Hello everyone, so this is a fixed car care made simple, and here you can see the QR code. I just purchased this product from Fixed, and let's see. So guys, I purchased this from Fixed website, the original site. You should be able to get it on Amazon. It's only like $40, $30, but I paid only like $20. Or if you get somebody refer you, you will pay only $20. And this is pretty much an unboxing video, and it's my first time using this product. So let's see how I get this. So guys, I'm gonna remove it. Okay. If you need help, you can just scan this code and start. Maybe you can watch a video. Okay, just wanna show you. I already downloaded this app. It's right here. Let's open. It's pretty much an OBD2 scanner, if you know. And I already created my account. So let's just add this. Tap to scan, or as you can see, I have not been added this. It says tap to scan, so let's scan. I already own a sensor. Okay, so it's right here. Purchase sensor. You can go there and purchase from 1999 original website, or I can put my link in the description so you guys can get it. Okay, so let's just put it in the car. Here is the scanner, OBD2 scanner. Nothing else. Okay. And to get this OBD2 plug in my car is right here, so we'll go ahead and put it right in. I don't see no lights, which is fine. Okay, so I have the power on this OBD2 scanner, so let's just scan. I already own a sensor. Okay, you can watch a video here, or let's just start the car and continue to enable Bluetooth. And it's already found my sensor. It's right here. It's a nearby sensor because there is no one else is using new sensor. Let's put Fixed or car guy. And let's see what's going on with my car. As you can see, my car name, and here is the codes. It said 21 heater system malfunction and crankshaft position signal. So this is how you can detect. This is the code number and details information. So when you purchase this new product, you get free for 15 days, and after that you will have to pay $8 a month. It will give you the exact problem, guys, and that's why I like it, because I researched before I buy. and here is all the estimate and stuff. And these are the critical levels. So it's green, maybe you can wait, but you need to fix it. But it's red light and green, red, yellow and green. So and this is the oxygen sensor, air fuel ratio sensor, bank 2, reduce MPG, and all the consequences that could happen because of this is right here. So if you are planning to get, you should get, because this should be good for your car to manage. So my current mileage is 245 427, 245 427. Especially for the older cars you must need, because you wanna know the exact problem. And here you can see like 3 problems detected. View past scans. But I'll also come with a new video with full information. This is pretty much unboxing and show you how I see it. Here you can see your vehicle value. Right now it's 10,374. But let's put it on fair, good and great, you know. Get instant Carvana code too, fine. Okay, let's just scan again and see. I'm gonna scan car guy. Alright guys, so it will tell you exact problem, and you can see some other information. Battery voltage 14, fine. Light on miles 28. Let's clear the check engine light. Let's see if this can remove this check engine light from here. Yeah, fixer successfully reset your vehicle codes. Did the dash light turn off? It's still there. Let's just say no. Is the light on your dash engine light or other lights? Engine light. Engine was running. Engine was running. Engine is off. Key in pre-ignition. Let's just go to ignition and see if this goes away. So let's clear check engine light. Okay, so let's just restart, and I see the engine light is still there, and it said to go to ignition, and I did, but it did not wipe off. So let's just try one more time. Okay. Reset your vehicle codes. I still see the engine light. It wasn't able to remove my engine light, but it's fine for now because I have to fix all these issues. But if you guys wanna know more about fixed, I'll upload a detailed video. And thank you so much for your time.